Hi, I'm Dr. James Wilson, and today I'll guide you through a soothing, vibrational leg muscle massage therapy routine designed to relieve tension, improve blood flow, and bring instant comfort to tired legs. If your legs feel heavy, sore, or fatigued after long hours of standing, workouts, or daily stress, this vibrational massage routine is exactly what you need. In just a few minutes, we'll awaken your muscles, release stiffness, and help you feel completely renewed. Let's begin by getting comfortable, either seated or lying down with your legs fully supported. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. The goal is to relax your body so the vibration can work deeper into your muscles. Before applying vibration, use your hands to gently glide along your thighs and calves. This increases circulation and preps the muscles for deeper work. Spend about 30 seconds per leg with slow upward strokes from ankle to hip, keeping the pressure light and steady. Now take your vibrational massage device or massage gun and set it to a low or medium intensity. Start on your calves, moving slowly upward. Use smooth gliding motions, letting the